Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Health Connect and creating or confirming your profile. This links local health data securely. Once done, grant the app device-level permissions so it can read and write the basic types you need. Now choose the baseline data types, steps, heart rate, sleep, weight, and enable them. Make sure to accept requested permissions when prompted. This prevents later gaps. You're setting the foundation so connected apps can sync reliably without repeated prompts. Next, you connect the apps that already track your health. From Health Connect settings, tap Connected Apps, then pick an app and toggle which data types it can read or write. Once connected, prioritize sources when duplicates exist so steps or sleep come from your preferred tracker. Make sure to open each partner app to confirm it permits Health Connect syncing. Some require you to enable integration inside their settings. If an app offers sync frequency, adjust it to balance battery life versus up-to-date data. Finally, verify everything by forcing a manual sync or simply checking the Overview tab to confirm new entries appear. If data is missing, inspect app permissions, ensure background activity is allowed, and confirm network access. These are common culprits. Make sure battery optimization isn't stopping syncs. If an app still won't share data, clear the app cache, reauthorize Health Connect access, and retry. This typically resolves stalled syncs and restores normal data flow across your.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.